Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a ConvertKit form to an automation, step by step. First, log in to your ConvertKit dashboard. From the top menu, go to the Automate section and select Visual Automations. Now click on New Automation. You can either start from scratch or choose a pre-made template. For this guide, let's start from scratch. Next, you'll see a screen asking how you want people to enter the automation. Select Joins a Form. Then, choose the form you want to connect. If you haven't created one yet, click Create a New Form and design it using your preferred style: inline, modal, or slide in. Once you finish, save the form. Now, your form is successfully linked to the automation. You can add more steps like sending a welcome email, adding a delay, or tagging the subscriber. Once everything looks good, click on Turn on Automation in the top right corner. And that's it! Your ConvertKit form is now connected to your automation. Whenever someone fills out that form, they'll automatically enter your email sequence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.